Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So far we have seen how to enable the developer tab in Excel and what are user forms and module. Today we'll see what are sub procedure and function and what is the main difference between them. Both sub procedure and function contains a series of Visual Basic statements that perform some sort of desired actions. A sub procedure is enclosed by the sub and end sub statements. However, a function is enclosed by the function and end function statements. Both sub-procedure and function are more or less the same. The only main difference between them is the sub-procedure doesn't return a value. However, a function may or may not return a value. Now let's see the demo.